In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tradeify to Tradovate. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Tradeify's official website, and from here you want to click on Get Funded Now in the top right. When you do this, you have to select the account you want to get, so there's a bunch of different ones, completely up to you what you want to do. The most important part here is that you actually select Tradovate over here at the top. So don't click on anything else, click on Tradovate. So of course you'll be able to connect your Tradeify account to Tradovate. So whenever you do this, you want to select what you want to start with. I'm just going to go with start with 50K over here. You can of course select a different one if you want to. And then what you have to do is sign up, so either with Google or with email and a password. And then you'll have to go through and do the payment. And whenever you paid, you'll basically get the access to your account. So as you can see here, you can of course see your summary, and then here it must say Tradovate and then Ninja Trader or whatever. So if it says Tradovate, you're good to go. You can go ahead and go through the transaction process. And whenever you've done that, you'll basically get the access. Now you'll have to sign into your Tradeify account after you do this, and then at the very top you'll be able to find your username and password. So it's going to look like this inside your dashboard. Up top you'll see the Tradovate username and password. Okay, so you can find them again here at the top of the Tradeify dashboard. And then what you have to do is you want to go to trader.tradovate.com, which is their official website from Tradovate, and you'll have to type in the username, which is this one over here, and then the password, which you can just copy and then paste in over here. Okay, so whenever you've done this, you have to click on login over here, and it's going to ask you to select the trading environment. So you have to choose the simulation or demo, and then you'll be able to go from there. So don't select live for Tradeify accounts, select simulation or demo. Okay, now that's all you have to do, and you'll get the access to it, and that's going to look like this, and you'll have of course the equity and everything like that, and you'll be signed in with your Tradeify account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.